This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating easy hardware causes. Remove the case, SIM, and SD card so nothing presses the screen. Plug the original charger and wait 15-30 minutes to rule out deeply discharged battery. Once done, perform a force restart. Hold power and volume down for 10-20 seconds. On some models, use power plus volume up. This resets the display controller without erasing data, so you can test whether the black screen is a software hang versus a permanent display failure. Next, you narrow the cause to software or hardware. Boot into safe or recovery mode to see if the screen lights. If it does, a recently installed app or OS update likely caused the blackout. Make sure to connect the phone to a computer. If recognized, back up immediately. You can also dim room flashlight test. Shine light closely across the display to reveal faint UI elements, which indicates backlight failure. If the system is unreachable, diagnostics point toward display, connector, or power rail faults. Finally, choose the repair path based on your findings. If you saw faint imagery, a backlight or connector replacement often fixes it. Reseating the display connector helps if you're comfortable opening the device. If software appeared responsible, back up via PC and perform a factory reset. Make sure to document symptoms, steps taken, and results. This speeds professional diagnostics. If nothing worked, visit an authorized repair center. If they decline warranty, show your documented tests to avoid unnecessary part replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.